my daily routine about my dog. Early morning I have to wake up and I'm gonna walk my pet, the dog. We are here on the farm. Okay, go Borley, no rush. Alright. So ito ang karsada papuntang bukid. So maraming tanim, mga maisan, sibuyas, ganon. Okay, go. So I have to walk him early morning and then before dark, or like a 4:30 p.m. Sibuyas, mais, barley. So at least I have to walk my dog at least 10 to 15 minutes early morning or before sun shine. Hi, morning. Yeah. Yan yung pamangkin ko. Ganda ng sibuyas, oh. Ito yung na-vlog ko na. So sinusubaybayan ko ang sibuyas na ito. Kaya makikita nyo uli ang sa susunod na pagbablog. Okay. Okay, Borley. So we gonna come back in a few minutes, okay? Now I have to, when I get home, I have to okay, babalik na kami. And then I'm gonna walk with my small the baby one. Okay, let's go back. Let's go. Come on. Yan, nagmamadali na, oh. Yeah, this is 1 year old this coming January.